Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. So today I'll be showing you how I did these abstract fall nails. I incorporated some gold studs, the dry brushing method to create a tweed textured look, as well as some messy irregular dots. I started off with already extended nails using Polygel, and I'll list the one that I used down in the description box. I'll actually list everything I use or mention down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So for the ring finger, I decided to go with a pale grayish tone nude, kinda like an off-white but slightly darker. For my index finger, I went with a warmer tone nude, like a light orangey brown. And my thumb, middle, and pinky are a bright burnt orange color. I went in with 2 to 3 coats for each color to reach full opacity, and as I'm painting each layer of color, I'm cleaning up around the nail using an orange wood stick. Once I'm done applying the base color, I do some cleanup around the nail using small pieces of cotton wrapped around the pointy end of my metal cuticle pusher soaked in acetone. The pointy end really allows me to be very detailed around my cuticle area. When I'm done cleaning around the nail, I like to go in with a layer of top coat to just seal in the base color. This also gives me a nice smooth layer to do nail art on. And with that, moving on to the fun and creative part. I'll be first showing you the messy irregular polka dots. I use a small size dotting tool, and if you don't have a dotting tool, you can totally use a toothpick or the end of a bobby pin as an alternative. I also use a black gel polish for the dots. I usually like using gel polish for nail art because I can manipulate the dots or whatever I'm doing for as long as I want until I cure it under a lamp. And if I mess it up, I can easily wipe it off without ruining anything else. So to do the dots, you really just place the dots randomly all over your nail, varying in different sizes, and then kind of dragging out the dots to make an irregular shape. And I keep doing this until I fill my whole nail and checking to make sure the placement looks okay and comparing it to the ready finished right hand. Once I'm happy with how the dots look, I cure under the lamp for 30 seconds. The dry brush method to create a textured tweed look. So the key to this is to have as little polish as possible on your brush, hence the name the dry brush method. You basically want 99% of the polish wiped off your brush, and from there you just quickly swipe the brush over your nail in a horizontal and vertical motion all over the nail. I slowed down this portion a little bit to show you guys what I mean. As you can see, very little colors deposited on the nail, and that's the point. You want it to look like tiny little brush strokes or little pieces of thread crisscrossing one another. And you just continue doing this with each color. I decided to use the colors that are already on my nails to match, and you basically just keep going back and forth between each color until you like how it turns out. And if you accidentally brush on too much color, you can easily fix it by going over that area with the other colors, which you'll see me do later on with the black. design uses gold studs. I laid down a layer of gel top coat, and like I said earlier, the gel polish allows me to take all the time I need to lay down the studs. This design is super simple. You just outline the shape of your nail with the gold studs, making sure the placement and spacing looks okay. And if you don't have gold studs, you can just use gold polish as an alternative to mimic the look. For the thumb and pinky, I just put one little stud near their cuticle, and with that, I gel top coat the rest of the nails and cure everything for 30 seconds. And that wraps up how I created these abstract fall nails. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video a like, leave a comment telling me what you enjoy most about fall, and subscribe to my channel as well as follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye!